The smartphone market is a battleground. Every year, brands duke it out for your attention. Two contenders are always in the ring, Xiaomi and Samsung. Today, we're pitting two heavyweights against each other, the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus and the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Both pack serious heat, but which one emerges as the champion? Let's dive into the specs, features, and user experience to find out. Let's start with the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus. This phone is a powerhouse. It's got a stunning AMOLED display with a super smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. That means scrolling through your social media feeds and playing games will feel buttery smooth. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful processor that can handle anything you throw at it. Whether you're editing videos, playing demanding games, or just browsing the web, the Note 13 Pro Plus won't break a sweat. One of the standout features of the Note 13 Pro Plus is its camera system. It boasts a high-resolution main sensor that captures incredibly detailed photos and videos. Even in low-light conditions, this phone can take impressive shots. Battery life is another strong point. The Note 13 Pro Plus has a massive battery that can easily last you through a full day of heavy use. And when it's time to recharge, the included fast charger will get you back up to speed in no time. Now let's turn our attention to the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. This phone is the epitome of premium. It's got a gorgeous dynamic AMOLED 2X display that's bright, vibrant, and incredibly responsive. Samsung's flagship processor powers the S24 Ultra. This chip is a beast, offering unparalleled performance for even the most demanding tasks. Multitasking, gaming, and video editing are a breeze on this phone. The S24 Ultra's camera system is legendary. It's got a versatile array of lenses, including a high-resolution main sensor, a telephoto lens for incredible zoom capabilities, and an ultra-wide lens for capturing expansive landscapes. Samsung has also packed the S24 Ultra with the latest and greatest technology, including an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor for lightning-fast unlocking, and an S Pen for note-taking, drawing, and more. Section 4. Head-to-head performance and user experience. Both phones offer top-notch performance and a premium user experience. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus delivers smooth and responsive performance thanks to its powerful processor and 120 Hz display. The Galaxy S24 Ultra, with its flagship processor, takes performance to another level, offering unparalleled speed and responsiveness. In terms of user experience, both phones excel. The Note 13 Pro Plus runs a clean and efficient version of Android with some useful customizations from Xiaomi. The S24 Ultra runs Samsung's One UI, which is known for its intuitive features and customization options. Both phones offer excellent cameras that capture stunning photos and videos. The Note 13 Pro Plus's main camera delivers impressive detail and low-light performance. The S24 Ultra's camera system is a true powerhouse, offering unparalleled versatility and image quality. Battery life is another area where both phones shine. The Note 13 Pro Plus's massive battery can easily last through a full day of heavy use. The S24 Ultra, despite its powerful hardware, also boasts impressive battery life thanks to its efficient processor and software optimizations. Section 5. The price-to-performance equation. Value matters. Here's where things get interesting. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus offers incredible value for money. It packs a ton of features and performance into a package that's significantly more affordable than the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Galaxy S24 Ultra, as a flagship phone, comes at a premium price. It's packed with the latest and greatest technology, but that comes at a cost. However, if you're looking for the absolute best of the best, and price is no object, the S24 Ultra is hard to beat. Ultimately, the best phone for you depends on your budget and your needs. If you're looking for the best possible value, the Note 13 Pro Plus is a compelling choice. If you want the ultimate flagship experience and are willing to pay a premium, the S24 Ultra is the way to go. Section 6. The verdict: choosing your champion. So which phone emerges as the champion? It's a tough call. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus is a value powerhouse, offering incredible performance and features at an affordable price. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is the ultimate flagship, packing the latest and greatest technology for an unparalleled experience. If you prioritize value for money, the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus is the clear winner. It's a phone that punches way above its weight, offering a premium experience without breaking the bank. If you demand the absolute best and are willing to pay a premium, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is the phone for you. It's a technological marvel that sets the standard for flagship smartphones. Ultimately, the choice is yours. Consider your budget, your needs, and your priorities. Whichever phone you choose, you're guaranteed a premium experience.